There seems to be something wrong with my Lumitrode.
When the status of your Lumitrode is displayed as red on the meter, correct measuring can no longer be ensured. Hi, I'm Simon. In this video, I show you how to replace the O2 cap of your Lumitrode. Unscrew the old cap. Take the new O2 cap out of its package and screw it onto the Lumitrode. Make sure you do not touch the membrane of the new cap with your fingers. To enter the new serial number of the O2 cap in the meter, go to the sensors in the menu. Select the Lumitrode and type in the serial number of the new O2 cap. The old cap can simply be disposed of into the waste bin. Now all that is left to do is to calibrate the Lumitrode. Check out our video to see how this is done.
That was surprisingly easy.